Hi, I'm Jason Hicks with Westchester Lawn and Garden, and today I'm going to talk to you about the biggest service issue that we see with snow blowers and what you can do as a consumer to correct that. The biggest issue we see with snow blowers coming into the shop is most of them won't start. The reason for that is the fuel that's in them most of the time has been sitting in them for a couple years. Just because they get used very little, they'll sit in the garage, and that same gasoline will be sitting in the tank when somebody goes to start it up. The other issue we're seeing right now is the fuel that you're getting from the gas stations pretty much anywhere in the United States has been mandated by the government to contain 15% ethanol, which is a fuel filler. It's designed to lengthen the amount of time that the world's fossil fuels will last. The problem with it is it's extremely corrosive, creates a lot of problems in carbureted engines, which all snowblowers are going to be a carbureted engine. It'll work fine in a fuel-injected engine such as your car or any kind of automotive engine. However, in a carbureted engine like that's going to be on your snowblower, it causes a lot of problems. There's a company out there called TruFuel. This is the same kind of fuel that you could buy 5 years ago. It's basically a pure fuel. There's no filler, there's no ethanol blended into it, and it's going to react the same as the fuel you could buy 5+ years ago did. You could leave that in a machine for a couple years and pull the machine out and start it right up. This stuff is good for 24 months after it's opened, so you can basically store the unit for 2 years, pull it out, and it should start fine. If you are going to use an ethanol blended fuel such as what you would get at the gas station, we recommend that you replace that fuel every 30 days. So you'll want to put a little bit in your snowblower to get it running. After 30 days, you'll want to drain that out, put fresh fuel in it from the gas station again. What I do at home, typically around the first of the month, I just know that I need to dump whatever I have in my fuel can for my small equipment. I put that in my car, and then I go get fresh fuel for all of my small power equipment. Again, this is Jason Hicks with Westchester Lawn and Garden. I appreciate your time today and watching our video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you have any questions, you can give us a call, or you can visit us on Facebook or check out our website at westchesterlawnandgarden.com.